looks like today's outfit was made by AI. So this app that I used to use is Smart Closet. I don't recommend it because they updated it and it sucks now, but you can always tell the AI outfits because they put them in a quadrant like this. And apparently Jaime was inspired by this snakeskin, plaid, neon orange, and red look and didn't change a thing. So I guess I'll go put this on. Well, in an unprecedented turn of events, it looks like regular me has forfeited due to a mental and physical breakdown in response to Jaime's frankly combative outfit. Therefore, Jaime is by default the winner. That brings us to the end of High Stylin' Season 1. Let's count the score. But first, I need to rectify something because in my original notes, I said that Jaime was actually the winner of the first episode's outfit, and I did hardly change it at all, so I'm gonna actually stick with that decision and give Jaime the point for that one. So our final score is 5-3, with regular me coming out as the winner, but it's a little closer than I feel good about. And the star of this season was Shoulder Bling in 3 different looks. Alright, let me know in the comments what outfit was your favorite, and thanks for watching.